Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in the beauty supply store and I'm just here to pick up a couple products. Let me show you guys. I actually picked up like Jamaican Black Kester's shampoo and also the conditioner. Y'all know that I used the hair oil itself, so I hope that the shampoo and the conditioner will actually like grow my hair. And I'm gonna try to wash my hair every 2 weeks like normal and see how it goes, because I really need something to like grow my hair. So yeah, also I had to pick up a new castor oil gel just because my old one is like running out. Plus I wanted to pick up like a better holding like jam for my hair to slick it like really slayed. Also I have into moisture. It's really good for natural hair and I've been using that for years, so it kind of helps my hair like stay really calm and like the curls naturally. So yeah, we're just gonna use that and hopefully that will grow my hair. Okay guys, so I'm in the aisle here and I need like lotion. I already had got like body wash from Macy's, which is my mind wasn't ringing a bell. I didn't know that beauty supplies sold like lotions and stuff like that, so I don't know. I'm just gonna get probably Jergens because I grew up on using Jergens, so I hope that this scent is really good. And then maybe next time I'll probably get Dove because I already had bought like a bottle of Dove from Macy's, so yeah. So right now guys, I'm just probably gonna pick up some deodorant, which is actually right here because I do need some deodorant. So let me show you guys the one. So yeah guys, I'm gonna pick up deodorant. Okay guys, so right now I'm gonna pick up some brushes. I did pick up like a pair of combs at Macy's, so I'm just gonna get brushes here from the beauty supply. This is the brush that I probably more likely is gonna get, so we're gonna put it in the carts. And I went ahead and I picked up some beads, and like I said before, I picked up a hair pick and crochet needle because last time I had one and I don't know what happened to it. So this is what the cart's looking like right now. I got the gel and there's 2 shampoo and conditioners, and I got the lotion for my skin and the hair lotion for my hair and another Eco Style gel. So yeah. Actually guys, I'm gonna pick up these because these have 80 pieces, so these are gonna be way better and doable for me. So I'm gonna get hairspray because I really do need one. Guys, so I'm gonna pick up this little hair bun piece. The one I had got from Bea was too big, so I'm just gonna get this and some of these headbands. Maybe I should get different colors because it looks like they're all $1. Guys, like I'm realizing that I really don't have like a lot of like hair accessories, so I think I'm just gonna pick up a couple because your girl really needs to like slick her hair back and I don't have like no headbands for that. So. Okay you guys, so I added more stuff. I got hair ties and I got some headbands, spray bottle for your hair, also a detangling brush, and basically everything you see in here, pretty much self-explanatory. So yeah. Okay guys, so this was the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Yeah, I appreciate you guys so much, and a road to 1,000. I'm trying to get 1,000, so just subscribe, liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel and clicking the notification bell. So